At Tarmac's Havant concrete plant, a temporary mobile batching plant introduced a new operational challenge. The discharge chute required regular cleaning and maintenance, but there was no safe way to access it.
There was an issue with cleaning the discharge chute out. There was no particular safe access to it or to get to the mixer doors. The cleaning process beforehand was done on a mobile scaffold.
The old way of doing it is very old and outdated. You had to get a mobile platform in, work inside, confined spaces sometimes from underneath the plant.
Hardened concrete builds up in the chute. The only way to get that out is literally with a jackhammer. So there was a potential there, for falling material as well as the working at heights. We had another similar mobile plant. They were cleaning the chute out. A large lump of concrete dropped and pinned the injured person in the chute.
The incident triggered a company-wide safety alert and a clear objective: engineer the risk out completely.
I was working with a contractor, D&C Engineering, and obviously we wanted to engineer out any risks of working at height or entrapment. I tasked them with engineering out the problem and bringing it to ground level. I submitted them to Tarmac and the Health and Safety Department, and then we just applied for capital. It's locked in place with 2 pins, and it's on an electric hoist. So the pins are a pneumatic, so once the pins are out, you can lower the hoist. Drops the chute to the floor.
The entire cleaning and maintenance process could now be completed safely at ground level, eliminating working at height, confined space access and entrapment risks.
I think it's absolutely amazing. It just eliminates so many risks. Once it's on the floor, you could clear the blockage straight away, and then you get your hose or your lance, just jet it all out, problem solved, put it back up, lock the pins back in, and you're back on track for working for the day. You've been up and running in like 5 minutes.
With the locking pins, there is a limit switch on them. The Mark II model, I say, is now built into the batch control system as well.
The mixer itself can't start once you unlock the pins. It's linked into Alcon. Personally, I think it should be used on every plant where possible.
I think it should be shared. It's certainly been shared around Tarmac. It's gone to CRH for Best Practice Award. We're always looking for new ideas and eliminate risks.